Hello, myself Zonal Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is city glitch. In this basically we are discussing the computer basically software industry basically. They told that basically that list out the all ideas basically which was created basically and like this basically like this basically you just basically create all the ideas basically and list out the all the ideas basically. So for that basically whatever who the group basically who left the IT industry and that data also basically be required basically. Then it told that yes basically we have collected the ideas, we have collected each and every ideas basically. So like this basically they collected the ideas basically and they came into the conclusion basically that you have to create some product basically which will say that basically for certain time period basically the programming data basically has to be switch off basically. Then he told that yes basically for that basically they created WordPress basically. Then he told that yes basically the WordPress is already created. Then he told that yes basically the WordPress is already created. You can see the WordPress basically. You don't need to think anything basically. The programmer basically nowadays basically people who are doing the creating the websites, who are creating the shopping websites, they don't need to think anything basically. Then they told that yes basically. You don't have to think anything basically. So like this, they basically covered this many area basically. Then they told that basically the people who are basically say that basically we basically are good in this, we good. Few people basically they told that basically we will ban few people also basically. We will do one thing. We will tell them basically that you basically get out from the software industry. You are basically not supposed to be get into the software industry. That type of basically data also basically we can generate basically. So this everything basically the human resource group are basically going to do the plan basically and they have done the plan basically. So just see basically the up to human resource group also the group basically are doing the software industry human resource plan basically. So just see the up to what level basically they are done the plan and they are doing the plan basically. They have done the plan, everything plan is done basically. So like this basically the WordPress group basically WordPress technology base was introduced basically, but the human resource group don't know basically that this was introduced. The reason was this basically. So slowly basically they few people only basically left in the programming part basically because everything is because the entire software company basically they covered with the web based development, that is the WordPress basically, and entire big software company also basically they also basically told that basically WordPress we are taking basically. Why? Programming data basically. So if you will they will think basically then the data is going to generate. So like this thing basically which is going to generate. So one other person asked the question basically, the person basically who created the WordPress basically that group basically, that means they are basically tracking what basically. Then he told that basically they are nothing tracking and they basically what they are tracking, they have created the thing basically and the WordPress data is already dumped into the system basically and system is automatically doing everything basically. They are doing the process basically. That basically nothing is going to affect basically. Then he told that yes basically nothing is going to affect, nothing is going to affect through the software industry basically. Then one of the person told that then what about the human needs creation basically which is already done basically. Then into the CRM equal to vegetables creation, this equal to fruit creation, this is equal to that creation, that 90 80,000 basically crore basically people who are earning basically. Then he told that yes yeah basically that basically has affected basically, that has converted into the cancer basically. Whatever data basically it has converted, that has converted into the cancer basically. And for that basically you are finding the medicines basically. Then he told that yes basically you are correct basically, for that basically you are finding the medicines basically. So one of the person told that basically, for example, one CRM project basically created Apple. Then he told that yes basically from Apple basically he can think up to management level. Then he told that yes. He can think the programming level. Then he told that yes, basically. He can think up to mathematics level also, basically. Then he told that basically yes. So if he is thinking basically, his blood cells basically has generated the apple blood cells basically, and in apple blood cells basically, he is generating the management skill. Whenever the management skill is required, he is generating the management skill. Whenever the programming skill is required, then programming skill. Whenever the system generation skill is required, that time system generation skill basically is generating. Then he told that yes, basically you are correct. So like this basically things are basically generating. So that time basically the data is going to generate as a disease, or basically the it's going to generate as the normal thing basically is going to generate. Then it will that basically that depends upon the creation, that is the human need creation basically, which is done basically. So he told that basically that is basically correct basically. So that basically 100% they have basically generated the medicines, and according to that basically the human needs basically has dumped into the market basically. That is the 90-80,000 crore basically data. So like this basically they told that basically we had done the each and every changes, each and everything basically has done basically. Now basically you can do one thing. You can start thinking basically in the sitting by sitting the computers basically. Start thinking the CRM project, start thinking the payroll project, start thinking the admin project, start thinking the school management project, start thinking the admin level project, start thinking each and every projects basically. Start thinking basically. Start just thinking the CRM projects, each and every project basically start thinking. So like basically the manager started thinking. Now basically developer basically has not connected with it. They started thinking basically that this is the CRM project. Then basically one of the person told that basically yeah, project manager is thinking, right, basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. Then basically when he's thinking basically that time basically in his mind basically it's not written basically that .NET developer is going to do according to the .NET developer basically the he's thinking according to that basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, because manager basically don't know no, basically that this technology. But one of the person told that manager basically knows basically. But in management basically lots of non-technical people basically are also there basically who don't know the technical basically. Then he told that yes basically. Then anything is going to affect. Then basically he told that basically mostly basically it's not going to affect. But the thing basically is he's sitting at the computer and basically he's doing the thinking basically of the CRM project. So he told that basically whenever he is going to think the CRM project, whenever he is going to design this CRM project, for example, CRM project basically is designed in the .NET also, PHP also, and the Python also, and the COBOL also, Pascal also, C++ also, D2K also, Visual Basic also, ASP also, like all technology basically CRM project is developed. Then he told that yes basically. So that all basically CRM project is going to connect to that particular person basically, because he don't know, he is writing in the WordPress basically, or basically he is writing into the MS Word basically, or basically the tools basically which is available with him basically. That time basically what are the things going to happen basically? That was very dangerous thing basically, which actually connected to the many technologies. So project manager basically is thinking the CRM project. That time basically connects to many technologies data basically. That is the many technologies ideas basically. Then he told that yes basically it's connecting. So that time only basically the manager basically body basically connects to different technologies. That time only basically. Even basically don't know the technology. If the project even basically the person is non-technical, he is sitting at the computer basically is going to connect to the .NET CRM, he is going to connect to the Visual Basic CRM, he is going to connect to the ASP CRM, he is going to connect to the C++ CRM, he is going to connect to the Java CRM, he is going to connect to the SAP CRM. Like this basically each and every CRM project he is going to connect, and like this basically he is going to check the thing basically. So he told that basically yes basically like this basically he is going to check each and everything, and according to that basically the creation basically might be done basically by the construction department. That is the text box equal to 1000 cities, CRM equal to human needs creation going to happen basically. Like this each and every things basically which is created by the software industry, which is already refreshed by long before basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this basically.